When you're diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, one of the first questions that you're going to ask yourself is what treatment option you should go on. There are over 20 different disease-modifying treatments available. I was diagnosed with MS 2 years ago, and I chose Plegridy at the time as my treatment option. Plegridy is used for relapse and remitting MS, so you self-inject Plegridy under your skin once every 2 weeks. And the idea with Plegridy is that you have fewer relapses than you might have had if you had no treatment option. The relapses that you do have should be less severe. In trials, people that were taking Plegridy had about 30% fewer relapses than people that took a placebo. So once every 2 weeks, you'll self-inject on your thighs, your stomach, or the back of your arms, depending on what suits you. For the first 2 injections, you start on the lower dose, and then on the 3rd injection, you go up to the full dose. Once you start your treatment, you'll usually have blood tests every 3 months. And this will be to measure your blood cell counts and monitor your liver function. I had quite bad side effects with the injection. Every day after the injection, I ended up with a really bad headache, muscle aches, and it was like having the flu. And the worst part for me was the injection site reactions that I had. I used to end up with a really big red circle and every single time that I did the injection. I actually had a relapse on Plegridy, so I switched over to Kesimpta last year, and I have found that Kesimpta is a better fit for me. But there are a lot of people on Plegridy and they get on really well with it, and each treatment option really needs to suit your lifestyle. I just found that being unwell every 2 weeks started to impact on my life, so I wanted to switch over before the relapse happened. If you want to have children in the future, that's something to discuss with your neurologist as well when you're choosing a treatment option. There are so many different treatment options, and choosing the right one needs to suit your lifestyle. If you found this useful, please hit the follow button for more in the future, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.